Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Xtreme 5 speaker and I'm going to show you all the top tricks of this device. So as you can see here I've got the first top trick and it's right in front of you. This is the application. I know that it's quite common these days, but it's still a top trick I think because not many devices have it, especially the budget ones, so yeah. But as you can see, here I've got the application and many settings dedicated to our speaker. So now let's focus mainly on this thing. As you can see here I've got this LED light strip over here, which is actually very nice looking. It's beautiful. We can adjust the color right here. We can choose the preset and many other effects right here. Like we've got here neon and so on. Here, as you can see, we've got the equalizer, which is actually not like quite a top trick, but it's worth mentioning. But what is worth mentioning is Playtime Boost. Playtime Boost is a very uncommon feature that I see on the speakers. This is the feature that offers you the Playtime Boost, of course. It worsens your audio quality and Bluetooth connection quality to prolong the playtime and boost up the sound loudness. And as you can see, that's actually I think it, because we don't have here many other things apart from this stereo group, but it's quite common these days, so yeah, you know. Goodbye.